Okay, we're about to show you how Bill gets the coals ready when I cook in my Dutch oven.
So away I go.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, I don't like using chemicals, so we pour some coals in here. Like so. And we also pull the grill on there to cook on if we're doing that. But tonight she made enchilada chicken, so we won't be using the grill. But I heat up extra coals. Like I said, I don't like chemicals, so use a little bit of paper.
Sorry, my shadow's in the way. Try to turn it this way.
I use a little bit of paper on there, and I'm going to throw on some branches and such. And that's how we start the fire. If you put chemicals on there, lighter fluid or anything like that, it kind of ends up flavoring your food for you. And I don't know about you, but I've never been real fond of
Yuck.
tasting
No.
food, especially cobbler. I don't think cobbler tastes good. You don't need a lot of wood. Just good old dry desert wood, fire right up. And those coals will be ready in about 10, 15, 20 minutes, somewhere in there. But what we do is put the coals she needs underneath right in here, and she'll set the
Dutch oven, which is right
on
there.
And then we put some on top, and we got extra coals as we need.
Yeah, we just pull from the pile that's been lit as we need them for the Dutch oven.
And any good pair of tongs will do that for you.
Yeah, of course metal, no plastic.
And there you go. But yeah, this is where she's going to be cooking. Get the rocks out of the way here. Ooh. So she can get it nice and flat.
Yeah, you want to try to get it flat and level so it's not lopsided.
But yeah, we always do it this way. That way a grill can sit right there and she can cook here. And it works out great.
Yep.
There you go.
So that's how we get it started.
And then this will just simply sit right in here on top of the coals.
And I'm gonna get back with you. I'm gonna have him film me showing you what I put, what I used, and how much ingredients as I make it. Okay? Okay, we're starting to get the Dutch oven ready for cooking the peach cobbler. We use about 25 charcoals. May need more, just depending. But put 15 on the bottom. And then we're going to set the Dutch oven on top of these 15. And then 10 of them are going to go on top and let it cook for 45 minutes to an hour. Until it's done pretty much. So that's what we're doing right now. He's such a good little helper.
Aren't I though?
Yes. Thank you, honey.
Oh, looky there.
Yeah, make sure.
There we go.
And make sure it's level.
It is.
Okay, you're gonna sit. Where are you gonna sit that on the table?
Here.
Okay. Okay, y'all. I'm about to show you how I make peach cobbler in the Dutch oven, and it's just very simple ingredients. 2 cans of sliced peaches in the syrup. 30-ounce can, 29-ounce can. I use 2 cans of those. So we're gonna go ahead and put them in first. And sorry if the wind's getting into the video, because 1 minute it'll be quiet and then it's windy again. So you're going to add the peaches to the pot with the syrup.
With the syrup.
With the syrup.
Okay.
And then you want to add your cake mix. You can use a yellow or white cake mix.
What's that, yellow or white?
I'm using yellow.
Okay.
And then you just want to spread it over the peaches. Try as evenly as you can, you know. I just smooth it out with my hands a little, like this. And then I use about a teaspoon of cinnamon or more. You could use up to a teaspoon and a half, whatever to your liking. I like cinnamon, so pour a little in there. The wind's blowing it around though. It's hard to sprinkle it with the wind, but you know what I'm saying. Oh, the wind's blowing it. Daggone wind. Jeez. I wanted to spread more evenly. evenly because I'm stuck in one spot.
Load her up.
But cinnamon's good for you anyway, so.
Good for you.
This.
Here comes the wind.
I know, the wind is screwing me up, dude. Aggravating, but.
Okay.
Anyways, there's the cinnamon. Sprinkled on top. And then I'm using about a 1/3 cup of butter that I sliced up. You pretty much just put
Real butter.
Yeah, I use butter. I don't like no margarine mess. I don't mess with that. I like butter. So then I'm going to place it on top. Crust. Just like this.
Ooh, look at a little bit. Watch you.
Pretty simple. Yeah, you'll get done.
She said, "Mommy."
Maybe later you'll get it though. I forgot the whipped cream this time. I like to have whipped cream on mine. So it still go without it though. There we go. Like this. Alright. Pretty simple, huh? And then I want this to blow away. The wind is pretty going. Put the lid on top. And I mean, you can usually just tell when it's done by looking at it, but I'd say at least 45 minutes needs to go. Last time I cooked it, I ended up cooking it more than 45 minutes because it's based on how the weather is, how hot it is, how windy it is, and blows the coals and stuff. So you just kind of take that in consideration as it cooks. But if you want it to be all bubbly and, you know, done, you can tell by looking at it usually. But that's how I do it. So there we go. And I will get back with you and show you the finished product. Okay, and then we just put the lid on, and my dear honey helper is going to add 10 more coals to the top. So there's 15 on the bottom and going to be 10 on the top. And like I said, I'll get back with you and show you the finished product. Okay, we're about to check the peach cobbler, see what it's looking like.
Da, 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 da.
Oh yeah, I'm in the shadow though. Let me move this way, maybe you can see it better. Sun. Oh yeah,
Oh, that's about done.
it's hard to see with the sun because it's all.
No, you can see it.
Half of it's shadow. No, and I can see, but it's in the shadow too. So.
Oh, there's no shadow. That's just on your screen, baby.
I know. So like I said, I'm still learning. Everybody knows I'm learning how to film. So. But yeah, it's getting all bubbly and it's just about done. I'm gonna get. I say. Let me see again. I'm gonna give it like a couple more minutes. Just the way I see it.
Okay. No.
Okay, y'all. It's done, and so I'm gonna show you what it looks like. Oh boy, does that look good. I hope y'all can see it good because the sun is causing shadow over it, but yeah. You see this? Oh, we can smell the cinnamon. It smells so good.
Here, I'll tip it for you. There you go.
Well, yeah, that helps some. But yeah, we definitely can smell the cinnamon because I love cinnamon. This stuff's going to be yummy. I usually put whipped cream on it, but I forgot to bring it. But it's still good without it. So
I'm not in there, trust me.
get out of it, please.
Nom nom.
Funny guy. I hope you enjoyed the video of the cooking, and I'm a little tired, wore out from digging holes today, and sorry if I pause because I'm still learning and my brain goes, what do I say? But what I want to say is, if you like the videos of me cooking and you have suggestions of something for me to cook in it for you to learn, then just let me know. So just like and comment and tell me if you'd like me to do something new. And on that note, like I always say, have a good evening, y'all.